Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am very excited to relaunch my YouTube channel after so long time since I was inactive because of my schedule. Few people know me that professionally I am a banker and passionately I am a hardcore food lover. Before sharing my 5 years of experience, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Soumya Agrawal and I am from Varanasi. Last year only I shifted to Hyderabad post my marriage. People usually ask me that this thing you are doing since long. So I think your life has been changed. I said no, my life is not changed yet. I am same, my name is same, my struggle is same, my work is same. It's just that my city is changed. Those 5 years of my experience in this blog was not that easy task. I was not having that those fancy gadgets or those fancy applications to edit the pictures. Slowly, steadily, when I came across few apps, then I started learning the tutorials how to edit the pictures. Then I started posting on on my Instagram. I came across few accounts which I really loved it and started learning the content, how to write good content, what actually interacts your audience. The first important thing that I learned in this 5 years was that love yourself and love what you do, no matter what people say, because it hardly matters or it should not affect you what people say. It's just that you have to create content for yourself which makes you happy. Second thing was, stay away from those negative people who create negative vibes in your life, who affect you emotionally and mentally. Third thing was, always be a giver, not a taker. Why I am saying this? Because in these 5 years, I have always seen in my profession and passion both that there are people who always give you, share your ideas with them or with others, but they never expect anything in return. They always love to share ideas with others. And there are certain people who, always want credit or they always expect something in return, which is like no matter what, if the content does not belong to that person, still they want something in return. Fourth point, the fourth point was that always be creative. It is not mandatory that always be having a good content to post on social platforms. If you don't have anything to post, or you're not getting good idea to create anything, it's better to detox yourself. The best is social detoxing. I have done this last year and I've learned a lot. Social detoxing is very important because sometimes it happens that when you don't have any idea, you don't have any content to create, it's better to take social detoxing. It helps you to create new idea, new content. You should not worry to give an attempt. At least what happens if it goes viral? You never know this. Fifth and important point is that never tender yourself. People should know your work, what you have done. Never, show to others what you have done. Never pretend what you have done. Let people know your struggle, because it never give a good impression on the person or to the brand to whom you are tendering. These were my 5 years of experience that I have learned and I am adapting in my personal life as well. Few people I really love to thank, no matter what, if they are following me on Instagram or not, it hardly matters to me. It's just that I love their content and I've just followed them. First one was the Ashwina, the Wicked Soul. Her work is just to the next level. Her content is amazing. Her work is amazing, and person itself, she is very amazing. Richa from Savory Tales, like being a mom, being a blogger, it's very difficult to manage everything, to create a content. No, she's also from Varanasi. Her content is amazing. I love her content. Her creativity is just to the next level. Then I came across more people. Devshri from the Crazy Indian Foodie, then Sukrit and Kashish from the Great Indian Foodie. Like they are now my good friends. And they also, help me to try explore new things which connects you with the audience. Trust me guys, these 5 years of experience was not that easy task for me. So these were my 5 years of my personal experience which I am sharing on my channel. This YouTube channel would be about myself and what I do, what I explore with Niket, because slowly and steadily I'll bring Niket also in my videos. And let's see. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel.